Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok. To know how to find a solution about TikTok app, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter two apps. Default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter two apps to TikTok. Here we'll go to click first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to this window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, you can go to airplane mode. You will wait to turn off your airplane to fix that problem here on the TikTok app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.